Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the apps which has been launched by Microsoft recently in Feb and whereas in December. So we are going to talk about two major apps which is very useful in our day-to-day life. So like what is the thing is, first app which we are going to talk here is Microsoft Math app. So it is basically a very awesome app from my point of view. So what is the thing is, with help of this app you can solve any problems in math, science and tech based questions and so basically what you can do with this app is either you can scan the problem, okay, or in the next thing there's an option named as a white paper where you can use a pencil as your finger and you can just write the problem, so where it will solve. And the next third thing is basically you can import image from anywhere like Drive or Gallery and so, and it will start solving that problem as well. So basically this is very cool app for people who's interested in maths and who's interested in learning stuff and so basically what this app does is, here like whenever it scans a problem, in the background the AI just automatically solves the problem and it gives step-by-step procedures. So whenever the problem is solved, you will get the step-by-step procedures how the problem is done, and if there is any graph related to it you will get it. And the next thing is, if there is any online lectures related to the content, so it will also be pop up, and in addition to that there will be worksheets, problems which is available in the website or from web. So basically this is what this app does, and in addition to that, with the help of this app you can solve as much as problems. And in addition to that, in this app you have something named as history in the sense you can again recollect it, you can again see the problems which you scanned earlier and you can start doing the things. And the main thing is, this app is available for both iOS and Android. So I'll just put the downloading link for iOS and Android in the description, so you can directly download. And the main thing about this app is it like what to say, it just do the things for limited topics alone, in the sense like pre-algebra, LCM, GCD, limits, derivations and so like there are many topics. So I'll just put the list of topics where this math app will be so much useful. So I'll put in the description the list of topics where this app is applicable. And in addition to that, suppose whenever you're scanning or if you're unable to write and so, there is an option named as calculator in this. So where with help of graphic calculator you can just directly type the problem and the Microsoft Math will solve the problem for you. So this is basically about the first app, and it is very awesome. So please try it out, you will enjoy it. It will do half, like nearly 80% of your homework is done. So that's the main thing about this app. And the next app comes is basically Microsoft Office app. So what is the use of this app is, in the sense it combines Word, Excel and PowerPoint in a single app. In the sense with help of Office you can use Excel, Word and PowerPoint in the same platform, rather than just switching the screens or using too much of data for downloading single things. So that is basically with help of this app. And in addition to this, with help of this app you can scan, transfer files, convert PDFs, docs and so all other basic things. So you can do all these things with help of this Microsoft Office app. So what is the main thing of me choosing this app is because of its future updates. So the future updates which is given by Microsoft for this app is basically too awesome, and you can just wait for maybe like 5 to 6 months to get this update in your phone. So the first thing is basically word dictation. So in the sense like whenever you use words you should basically have to type, that's the main thing. And whenever there is bold or underline, everything you have to change for each word sometimes and so basically that thing is going to be changed with help of voice commands. So in the sense, in future the Microsoft is planning to insert voice commands in Office app, in the sense where you can just say and the Office will start working. In the sense you can use as text formatting as well. In the sense you can say I need a new line or new paragraph, space, change fonts change the size, and so you can do all sorts of things. The Microsoft is planning in the future update. This is the one thing. And the next thing is about the Excel view card. So this is basically where, in the sense, whenever you take a big Excel sheet, in a single cell you'll be writing nearly like a big line. So but when you see from like in a normal view, you can't read the full thing, and so basically in those cases, Microsoft is planning to create a view card there, where you can just click on the cell and a view card will open, where you'll get all the information which is written by you as a sentence. So that is the second thing which Microsoft is planning. And the third thing is basically about PowerPoint, which is outline of PowerPoint. So outline of PowerPoint is basically what is the thing is, suppose if you are creating a PowerPoint, you have to first select slides depending upon your things, and where you have to add title, then you have to change theme, background, then give graphic effects, and so you have to do lots of stuff. So basically Microsoft is planning to reduce all those things. In the sense, you can just have an outline page where you can just type. In the sense, you can type a slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. So basically in slide 1, I want like a topic and subtopics, and so when everything is done by you, and when you just give create, the Office app will automatically create a PowerPoint presentation for you. So depending upon the themes and source which you mentioned. So this is basically Microsoft is planning to give 3 updates on Word, Excel and PowerPoint for Microsoft Office app. So this app is basically available only for phones and Windows 10s. So this app is also available for Android and iOS. So the downloading link for Android and iOS I'll put in the description, so you can directly download from there and you can start using this. And this is basically about Microsoft new apps which is launched. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So before ending this video, I want to say, please, if you are engineers, lecturers, college students, or maybe in high schools, and so please download Math app. It is so useful and it is working. That is the main thing. And the main thing is, you will not be having any ads in Math app. So hope so you like this. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.